If you're trying to start online arbitrage and you're stuck in YouTube overload, I get it. One video says source from Walmart, the next says use Kipa, and before you know it, you've got 12 tabs open and zero profit. Let me show you a better way. It's called the OA Challenge, a live 14-day program that walks you step by step through online arbitrage. You'll learn what tools to use, how to find deals, how to list them, and how to actually make this work without wasting months trying to figure it out alone. It's all broken down into daily tasks with coaches who actually sell on Amazon and the community doing it with you. If you're ready to finally take action and move your Amazon business forward, click the link in the description and join the next OA challenge. Let's build something that pays you back.